I am good at biking. I am good at biking.
Could you teach me? Could you teach me?
No way. No way.
Why? Why?
You are afraid. You are afraid.
But I want to go outside. But I want to go outside.
Can you send me my friend's house? Can you send me my friend's house?
You can. You can. Do you know how to use computer? Do you know how to use computer?
Of course. Of course.
Everyone should learn this skill. Everyone should learn this skill.
Because it is 21st century. Because it is 21st century.
I want to know detail. I want to know detail.
So take course. So take course.
Where? Where? Online. Online.
Okay. Thank you for your advice. Okay. Thank you for your advice.
Come here. Come here.
Why do you call me? Why do you call me? I have something to give you. I have something to give you.
Really? Really?
Sure. Sure.
So give me. So give me.
Why are you hurry? Why are you hurry?
Just asking. Just asking.
I'm gonna sleep. I'm gonna sleep.
Because I am so tired. Because I am so tired.
Today is super busy. Today is super busy.
Do you like your job? Do you like your job?
Yes, I do. Yes, I do.
Why do you blame? Why do you blame?
Nothing. Nothing.
Just a little. Just a little.
He is so out of touch. He is so out of touch.
You don't know. What are you talking about? You don't know. What are you talking about?
You need to protect yourself all the time. You need to protect yourself all the time.
Take a deep breath. Take a deep breath.
What time do you leave for work? What time do you leave for work?